right, my last section for this presentation speaks to the languages and religions of India. There is a popular aphorism depicting India's linguistic diversity. I'm going to try and pronounce this. Koskos Parbadal Pane, Charkos Parbani. And it means the language spoken in India changes every few kilometers, just like the taste of water. It's alluding to the fact that there are so many different languages and dialects in India. There are 30 languages spoken by at least 1 million people. There are 122 languages spoken by at least 10,000 people, and there are almost 1,600 different dialects. So imagine placing yourself in India and trying to understand the language and the differences just within a couple of 100 feet of one another. It is home to 780 languages and 66 different writing systems. Crazy, right? That is absolutely insane. Those numbers are huge. So those are the languages. The most popular language is Hindi. Okay. And then as we move on to religion, you can see on the graph that even that most of the religious values lie within Hinduism. So Hinduism makes up for almost 81% of the Indian population, followed by Muslims and Christians. And then there is a small amount of Sikhs, Buddhists, Jains, and others. So it's changed drastically since the earlier times in India when there was that Buddhist era. So that religion and popularity has changed over the course of several thousand years.